Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access to the account. If you can log in, you're ready. Open Instagram, go to Settings, then Security, and then Two-Factor Authentication. This is where backup codes live. Once there, look for the backup codes or Get Codes button and tap it. This regenerates a set tied to your 2FA. Make sure you understand why. Backup codes bypass your authenticator when your phone is unavailable, so treat them like passwords and keep them offline and secure. Next, you actually generate or reveal the codes. If you've lost previous codes, choose Get New Codes. Instagram will replace the old set. Copy or download every code or write them down exactly as shown. There are usually 8 codes and each is single-use. Once done, transfer them to a secure storage method, a trusted password manager, an encrypted note, or a physical safe. Make sure to mark that these codes are single-use, so you don't reuse them accidentally. Finally, use a backup code whenever two-factor authentication prompts and you can't access your phone. Type one code exactly. After use, that code is invalid, so keep the rest secure. If a code doesn't work, regenerate the set from settings and update your stored copy. If you're completely locked out, start account recovery. Use the in-app Need More Help flow and be ready to provide ID or account details. One key tip: keep one printed copy offline in case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.